Tired of searching for FIFA 25 deals only to find codes that died faster than your few champs' hopes? First, head over to YouTube and type in best FIFA 25 coupon codes. Filter the results to show videos uploaded in the last week or even the last 24 hours for the freshest content. Next, don't forget about coupon websites. Go to sites like Retailmanot or Honey and type in FIFA 25 in the search bar. They often have exclusive deals or codes users have submitted. Another great tip is following FIFA 25 influencers and deal hunter accounts on Twitter. They're usually the first to share any new promotions or discounts. Look for accounts with a large following and good engagement. Dive into FIFA gaming forums and communities like Reddit's FIFA. Scan the threads for anyone sharing working coupon codes or special offers they've discovered. But always double-check if they are legitimate. Finally, remember to test any codes immediately. Deals can expire quickly, so the faster you try them, the better your chances of saving some serious cash on FIFA 25. Good luck and enjoy playing.